Hi, my name is Mr. Chunya. Welcome to my study room. From today and the next few days, I'll be answering WASSCE 2024 core or general mathematics, multiple choice, or what some others call objective questions. I'll be combining the questions according to how they are related in one way or the other. So I'm starting today right with questions 1, 44, 45, and 46 because these questions are related in some way, sets. So today I'm answering the questions that are taken from the topic sets in the WASSCE 2024 core original mathematics paper. Let's start right with question 1, which reads that if the set P equals to the members -2, 0, 2, 4, and 6, and the set Q has members -3, -1, 0, 2, 3, and 5. Find the set P intersection Q. We will first have to identify what the symbol intersection means. Intersection means that when you look at the set P and the set Q, what do they have in common? So we are just going to look through and circle what they have in common. When we see that we have 0 here in P and we have 0 in Q. We have 2 in P and we have 2 in Q. And that is all they have in common. For that matter, the members of the set P intersection Q is 0 and 2, which is option A. Let's go to question 44. And for 44 and 45, we are going to use an information to answer the problem. So let me read the question. It says that in an examination taken by 120 students, 90 passed mathematics, 40 passed science, and 5 failed both subjects. Use the information to answer questions 44 and 45. I will start this by first sketching a Venn diagram that will help us to solve the question quickly. So let me do that. Alright, so this is our Venn diagram. And we are just going to check if we have every information here in. So it says that in an examination taken by 120 students. So this 120 is the universal set, which simply means the set containing everything. So that's the rectangle we have here, and this is 120 at the top here. And then 90 passed mathematics. So mathematics is the first circle. And then 40 passed science. That's the second circle or the bigger one. And then 5 failed both subjects. So the 5 will be the number that is in the universal set but not in any of the two circles, because they say the numbers in the circles are for those who passed. So if 5 failed, then they'll be outside both circles but be in the universal set. So the 5 for those who failed both subjects. Now we go to the 44, which is how many students pass only one subject. When solving questions or problems involving Venn diagram, it is always advisable to start from the innermost region, which is the intersection of all the groups that we are talking about. And in this case, we have just two groups. So we will start from the intersection here, M intersection S. And there's no number there. So let me put X there to represent both of them. So if we have that, then this region, which is for those who pass math only, will be 90 minus X. Because when we add this region and then the intersection, they should give us 90. And then here will be 40 minus X. Because when we add those who pass science only plus those who pass both science and math, it should give us 40. So here will be 40 minus X. Now, to solve for X, we are going to add the region A, B, C, and then let's call here D. And all 4 of them should give us the 120 that we have here. So that's just what I'm going to do. So region A is 90 minus X, plus region B is X, plus region C is 40 minus X, and then region D is 5. And all of them should be equal to the universal set. And now we group like terms. So we have 90 plus 40 is 130 plus 5 is 135. So this is 135. Then negative x plus x will be 0 minus x will be negative x minus x equals 120. And then grouping like terms, we move this to the right and move this to the left. That means each of them will switch sign. So we are going to have 135 minus 120 equals x. 135 minus 120 is 15. So 15 equals x. That means our x equals 15. To make it easier for us, I'm just going to plug the value of x into the diagram. So 90 minus 15 is 75. So let me put 75 here. And then x is 15. 40 minus 15 is 25. To verify, when we add 75 and 15 here, we should get 90 that we have here. And then when we add the 15 here and 25, we should get 40 that we have here. And when we add everything in the diagram, 90 for m, so I'm taking the first circle, plus the 25 here, making 115, then plus 5. That gives us 120, which is the inverse set. And now we can just use that to answer question 44 and 45. So they say how many parts sines only? And sines only, we have it here already. That is 25. So the answer is C. And then 45 says that we should find the probability that a student selected a random pass only one subject. Student who pass only one subject simply means student who pass math only and a student who pass science only. And then the question says we should find a probability. So probability simply means event over possible outcome. So we have 75 plus 25 all over the total, which is 120, and that will be equal to 75 plus 25 is 100. So 100 over 120, and 20 can divide both of them. So 20 divide 100 5 times and divide 120 6 times. So the correct answer is option C, which is 5 over 6. Then let's go to question 46, which is the last for this study. And 46 says that a number is chosen at random from the set 13, 14, all the way through 30. What is the probability that it is a prime number? So again, probability is event over possible outcomes. So the first thing I'm going to do will be to list all the members of the set so that I will make the lesson practical. So relisting the members of the set, you are going to have 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So these are the members of the set. And the question said, what is the probability that the number chosen is a prime number? So now let's circle the prime numbers in this. And the question will be, what is a prime number? A number that has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. That means that no other number can divide that number except 1 and the number itself. So looking through the prime numbers we have here are 13, 17, 19, 23, and then 29. These are the numbers that have only two factors. So how many of them do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the probability gives us 5 over the total. Let's see how many we have in all. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So 5 over 18. And when we look through, that is also option C. And that is where we end the study for today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Till we meet next time in my study room. Bye bye.